where it's gonna be. This is inside of the theater. Oh. So we're first in line, as you can see. Woo! Got my wristband. Priority wristband, baby. Alright. There's the ticket. Oh, free! Woo! We're going in. We're getting seated. Oh. Here we go. Oh, well, we get free stuff. Woohoo! Here we go. Going to our seats, and look at that. Oh, wow, they have a little thing up there. That's cute.
No, you good.
No, I do.
103. 103.
We're B.
Where's row B? Row B.
B is right here.
Oh, right here.
Right here.
All right. All done. So it changes? How often does it change? All right, Birds of Prey. Harley Quinn. I saw it today, one of the early showings, and I mean, if you want to go see it, you're expecting to be a lot of action and a lot of fun. I mean, it's both of those things. She, you expect her weapon of choice, so there's a lot of melee, a lot of cool action, a lot of funny. I didn't expect a funny villain, but he's funny, so it's really cool and kind of fun. It's just a lot of cool, you expect chase and fighting and got a pretty imaginative action kind of stuff that you'd expect. I had a good time. Peace.